English tense rules. Number 1. Did she blank the movie yesterday? See, saw, or seen. See is verb 1, saw is verb 2, seen is verb 3. The keyword here is did and it's a question. And the rule says whenever a question starts with do, does, or did, we use the verb 1, the base form of the verb. So the correct option is C. Did she see the movie yesterday? Number 2. They are blank in the garden. Play, played, playing. Play is verb 1. Played is verb 2. Playing is ing form of the verb 1, that is verb plus ing. The keyword here is are, and the rule says is, am, are, was, were takes the ing form of the verb. So the correct answer is playing. They are playing in the garden. Number 3. Have you blank breakfast? Eat, ate, eaten. Eat is verb 1. Ate is verb 2. Eaten is verb 3. The keyword here is have and it's a question. And whenever you see a question starting with has, have, had, it takes the verb 3. That is the past participle form of the verb. So the correct answer is eaten. Have you eaten breakfast? Number 4. She blank coffee every morning. Drink, drinks, drinking. Now the keyword here is every morning, which shows a daily habit or routine. And for daily habits or routines, we use the present simple tense. And with singular subjects like he, she, or it, the sentence follows the structure subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. Drink is verb 1, the base form of the verb. Drinks is verb 1 plus s. Drinking is ing form of the verb 1, that is verb plus ing. Since the singular subject is she and the sentence talks about a daily habit or routine, the sentence follows the structure subject plus verb 1 plus s or es. So the correct answer is drinks. She drinks coffee every morning. Number 5. We have been blank since morning. The keywords here are have been and since morning. Since morning shows a period of time for a continuous action. So this sentence comes under the present perfect continuous tense, which follows the structure subject plus has or have been plus verb plus ing. Study is verb 1, studied is verb 2, studying is ing form of the verb 1, verb plus ing. Since this sentence is in the present perfect continuous tense and follows this structure, the correct option is studying. We have been studying since morning. Number 6. The baby blanked loudly last night. Cry, cried, crying. Cry is verb 1. Cried is verb 2. Crying is ing form of the verb 1. The keyword here is last night, which shows past time. So this sentence comes under the past simple tense, which follows the structure subject plus verb 2. Since baby is the subject and the sentence is in the simple past tense, which follows the structure subject plus verb 2, the correct option is cried. The baby cried loudly last night. Let's move on to the next slide. Number 7. She will blank us tomorrow. Help, helped, helping. The keywords here are will and tomorrow, which show future time. So this comes under the future simple tense, which follows the structure subject plus will plus verb 1. Help is verb 1, helped is verb 2, helping is ing form of the verb 1. Since the sentence has will and follows the structure, the correct option is help. She will help us tomorrow. Number 8. Birds blank in the sky. Fly, flies, flying. Now this sentence talks about a general fact or truth. And general facts or truths come under the present simple tense. Now here, birds is a plural subject. So the sentence follows the structure subject plus verb 1. Fly is verb 1, the base form of the verb. Flies is verb 1 plus s or es. Flying is ing form of the verb 1, verb plus ing. Since birds is a plural subject and the sentence follows the structure subject plus verb 1, the correct option is fly. Birds fly in the sky. Number 9. I want to blank a doctor. Be was or being. Be is verb 1, the base form of the verb. Was is verb 2, the past form of the verb. Being is ing form of the verb 1, verb plus ing. Now learners, look at the words want to. And after to, we use the base form of the verb, verb 1. So the sentence structure is 2 plus verb 1, the base form of the verb. So the correct option is B. I want to be a doctor. Number 10. She can blank French. Speak, spoke, speaking. Speak is verb 1. Spoke is verb 2. Speaking is ing form of the verb 1. In this sentence, can is a helping verb as well as a modal verb. And after modal verbs like can, could, may, might, shall, will, we use the verb 1. Therefore, the correct option is speak. She can speak French. Number 11. She will be blank tomorrow evening. The words tomorrow evening show that the action will happen in the future. And the phrase will be shows that the action will be continuing at that future time. So this sentence comes under the future continuous tense. And future continuous tense follows the structure subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Dance is verb 1, danced is verb 2, dancing is ing form of the verb 1. So the right option is dancing. She will be dancing tomorrow evening. Number 12. Water blank at 100 degrees Celsius. Boil, boils, boiling. This sentence talks about a scientific fact or general truth. And scientific facts or general truths come under the present simple tense. Boil is verb 1, boils is verb 1 plus s or es. Boiling is ing form of the verb 1, verb plus ing. So what do you think is the correct answer? Type your answer in the comments. That brings us to the end of this lesson. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such useful English lessons. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care, keep learning, and see you in my next lesson.